everyone. I am Shayok Chakraborty. I am a student of class 12 of Delhi Public School, Ruby Park, Kolkata. I have been studying and preparing for my NEET entrance examination and class 12 boards examination in Eduinfinite since I was in class 11. I am fully satisfied with the system of this institution. My parents are very happy and satisfied with the working style of the administration of the institution.
This is Shumedha Ghosh Chaudhary and I am a student of class 12. I have been a part of the Eduinfinite family for about 2 years now, and I would like to share my experience as a student here. I would like to start by saying that my experience here has been more than lovely.